How to remove lock screen on your Samsung phone? You have Samsung phone and you set the lock on Samsung phone already, pin lock or pattern lock. So you want to remove this, then how you can remove and turn off. In this video I will tell you. So first you have to just unlock your phone, and now just you have to open your mobile settings. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, now just open the mobile settings and tell me in the comment box which Samsung mobile are you using right now, which model. Okay, so let's start it. Here open the mobile settings and scroll up. Here now scroll up and you have to just find here security and privacy. Click on the security and privacy, and now you can see after click the security and privacy you have to just click on the lock screen options. Click on the lock screen and you have to draw your current pattern. Okay, now you want to draw your current pattern. So after now you have to none options. Click on the none options. You have to just find here none options and select the none options. So this will be helpful to you, and now you can see I have no any lock on my Samsung phone. So this video is helpful to you. Absolutely like and subscribe to the channel Genuine Guide. Thank you for the video.